Hey everyone, today we're going to be installing two vents onto our vents on the roof of our RVs. Like on rainy days you can't open up the vent because water will get in. With these covers here, this will allow us to easily keep the vents open and still get the airflow that we want. Some of the tools we have some lap sealant. We have our tools that we're going to need. We have the brackets that we're going to be installing. That's going to be part of the installation. Okay, so we're on the roof, and this is the vent that we were talking about. All right, close it. It's going to go over this like so. And that's going to allow us to keep the vent open. We're going to cut away any of this lap sealant that we have here and set these guys like so. Like this. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So the first thing we're going to do is find the screw, which is right here. I can see where it's at. And we are going to kind of scribe where we want this to be cut, so we can get rid of this lap sealant that's on here. Right? Same thing on this side. We know the screw is right here, so we're going to mark that off. What we're going to do, we're going to fill the holes in, spread enough of the slab sealing around where the bracket's going to sit, and then drive these 4 screws into the bracket. Where it sits. Like so. Now we look for the hole, and it's right there. A little bit more of this lap sealant on top of the bracket. And that's what this is. You'll line it up with these holes here. Part is just to put the washer on here. On this side. Like so. There. And that's it. Alright folks, we are complete. Arnie's going to go downstairs, open up the vents, and we'll confirm that it's all working correctly. Okay, so there are the 2 fan covers. They worked out beautifully, easy installation, around 30-40 minutes each. The first one was a little bit longer, but roughly both the same. The wind is, fans are blowing nicely, and now we are done. Another project by Team Roche RV. See you guys.
revoleando.